Good morning. This is how to do the STAAR practices. You'll go to the lesson plans in Google Classroom, go down to the week, click on the week. They're organized by colors for your grade level. So 6th grade is yellow, 7th grade is green, 8th grade is blue. There's 2 things on each one. The first one's a document, in a Google document, and there's a Google form. You won't touch the Google form until you have completed what's in the Google Doc. You'll need about 5 to 10 minutes to complete the form. So I'm going to click on the doc for today. I'm going to open that, and it should make me make a copy. So I'm in 6th grade. It tells me it's January the 29th, which is actually the 28th. And I'm going to rename it to my initials. Okay. I'm going to have this read to me 3 times. You can do the select S and use the built-in text-to-speech or speech-to-text. What is it called? It's called something different, but it's speech. It's text-to-speech. Sorry. I'm going to highlight that. I can also use my orange megaphone to read to me on the top icon bar on the right. When I get down to the questions, when I get ready to answer a question, I'm going to go back in the story, find where the answer is, and I'm going to highlight it for that question. I don't care what color you use, whatever makes you happy. You're going to click the comment bar, add a comment, and you'll just put Q1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. You'll tell me that's where I found question 1. You're supposed to read that process 3 times. When you've done everything on this page, and you've highlighted your answer, you'll jump back over to Google Classroom, that lesson plans. You'll go to the form, and you're actually going to record the answers here, even though you recorded them here, because this might take you more than 1 day. So you'll jump, I'm sorry, that one. You'll jump between the 2. So on answer 1, if I put B, I'll jump over here, put B, blah, 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 and submit it. Have a lovely day.